Hello there guys, my name is Starkey, and in today's video we will be getting the channel's main cooking level from 20 to 40. Level 21 cooking. Members can now churn cream, cook crab meat and spit roast beast meat. Level 22 cooking. Members can now cook fat snail. Level 23 cooking. Members can now make scrambled eggs and tomato. Level 24 cooking. Members can now brew Argonian ale. Level 25 cooking. You can now cook stews and salmon. Members may also create fruit batters. Level 26 cooking. There is new information available from the cooking tutor in lumbridge. Members may now create toad batters. Level 27 cooking. Members can now cook worm batters. Level 28 cooking. Members can now cook slimy eels, sweet corn and vegetable batters. Level 29 cooking. Members can now cook mud pie, brew Grumman's ale and make cheese and tomato batters. Level 30 cooking. You can now cook apple pies and tuna. Members can now cook wormholes, leeked fish and gyro bats and spit roast chompy bird. Level 31 cooking. Members can now cook fruitcakes. Level 32 cooking. You are now qualified to enter the prestigious Chef's Guild. Members may also create drunk dragons. Level 34 cooking. Members can now cook garden pie and brew wizard's mind bomb. Level 35 cooking. You can now cook pizzas and make wine. Members can now cook rainbow fish and vegetable balls. Level 36 cooking. There is new information available from the cooking tutor in lumbridge. Level 37 cooking. Members may now create blueberry specials. Level 38 cooking. Members can now cook cave eel and churn butter. Level 39 cooking. Members can now brew dragon bitter and make baked potatoes with butter. And that's level 40 cooking for the channel's main. You can now cook cakes and lobsters. Members can create tangled toad legs. Well guys, I hope you have enjoyed the video. Please like and subscribe and I will see you all in the next video.